Alright, what's up y'all? Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on my little Parts Getter 2000 right here. So it's very simple. It needs 8 quarts of oil, a funnel, a new filter, a training pan. I like to use the filter caps and a 15mm socket. I'm going to start off by, letting the truck run a little bit, man, warming oil up so it drains easy. And we'll go down there and crack open the plug and pop off the filter, and it's going to be that simple. We're going to come over here, crank this baby up for a split second.
A few moments later.
All right, that should be long enough. Let's turn this baby off. All right, come over here. Open the hood. Oh man, she's a dirty birdie. And come over here. We're gonna crack that so it vents it. And God bless my short ass, I need a milk crate to stand on. All the rest of the cars I usually use run up on ramps, but since this thing is a big truck and it's already got a 3-inch lift on it, I got plenty of room to get my fat ass under there. Come on. Got everything I need. Got my ratchet, my oil filter remover, my 15mm socket, my new oil filter, and my drain pan. And I found my gear wrench cardboard, work mat. Let's see if I can get my big ass underneath this thing. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, I'm coming. Oh, like I said, one day. Oh, hold on. You can't see my beautiful face. One day, I would like make enough money to get a shop. I know you guys would rather see what I'm doing than see my beautiful face. Come on. So let me figure this out. BRB. All right, we're back, Jack. The dude's right. That is a 15. Yay! Oh, I got a profit for you. Hey, at least there's room underneath here. I gotta give it that. Now we're getting to the point where I have to. First, second of all, let's see if this fits. Okay. No, it's definitely gonna need a socket. I got it. Guess who's back? Let's get this on off. Got our 15mm. Okay. I'm probably not fucking out of the way, right? A couple of love taps. That's how we do it. Not gonna lie. This oil's a little, past due. Right, no oil on the hands. No oil on the hands. Ready, set. Ready, set. Ooh. Oil over the hands. God darn it. Man, that's a lot of oil. Shit bags. Okay. Let's see if we can get that filter off while we're waiting. Oh, fuck. No, I'm gonna need. No, I'm not. What's going? Easy peasy enough, brother. Alright. I don't know if we're gonna get this thing off, but. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit. Smells good. Looks good. Tastes good. Alright. Let me just oil up the rim here, if you can see that. We got plenty of it. Hell, I got plenty of it on my hands. Come on. You know what I forgot? A rag too. Son of a gun. All right. Easy. Nothing on that drain plug, so that's a good sign. Not that. Let's tighten that back up. Shit. Oh, this thing's stuck. Alright. If you do this, don't be like me. Remember to bring a rag with you. Alright, that's tight. The other F up I done is
Your mom.
I beat that thing onto the filter and now I can't get it off, so I'm going to climb back out, go in the shed and try to pry it off. So hold on. BRB. Now the plan is trying to get this off of this. I don't know. I'm going to get something. I'm about to find something to pry that shit off with. I don't know what. But I want to get this shit done, you know? Into the dark shed, yes. Yes. Don't you see my handsomeness? Yes. Yes. Think we can beat it off? Screwdriver it off. Alright, ready, so. Oh, nope. Oh. It did work. Come on. Shit. Now where the hell did I lose it to? Oh, there it is. Oh, it's knocked my head on the fucking thing. Alright, let's find my rag. Alright, my calf. Alright. Hot damn, wasn't that bad? Come on, let's tighten everything up. And what I do is throw the Earl in there, check it, and we're good to go. Alright, let's get my big ass back underneath here. Oh, God. Oh, shit. My work mat's working. It's doing great. There's like 90 bazillion gallons of oil in that thing. Okay, let's clean the Earl off of this thing. You know, let me see. Let's polish up my knob here. Yeah, I guess a great form. Alright. Got the calf, got it on. Alright, ready, set. Just make it snug. Alright, man. That should be good, that should be good. Oh, too old for this shit. Oh. Ew. There's some boogers in there? That's gross, dude. Alright, let's clean this mess up. My hat dirty. Fun fact, I started doing all my own oil changes. Well, I'm teaching the kids how to do oil changes because, you know, oil changes have been fucking expensive, dude. Like, I get like back in the day, they were, you know, go to Walmart and get your oil change for like $19, but now with the synthetic oils and everything, to get this truck done, it's like $1.20. The kids that get their cars done, it's like close to 90, 100 bucks. And if we go to Advance, you can get the, you know, you get the 5 gallons of oil and the filter. It's usually get on sale for like 50 bucks. What I didn't realize is, and where they stuck it in my butt is, they charged me $11.99 for these individual quarts. So at the end of the day, it came out to freaking almost $90. So what exactly am I saving? 30 bucks, and now I still got to drive back to Walmart or somewhere to dump out the oil. So, you know, to me, the convenience factor on this big rig for $30 might be worth it. But at the end of the day, times are tough, I'm still saving $30. So, all right, let's get this shit done. I got plans tonight. We're gonna clean out the filter. You don't want no crud or boogers or junk going into your engine. But y'all see my arms. Fucking old man flab. Alright, back to the engine. It smells like I hate living here, man. I really do. Yeah, almost done, bud. Gotta put some Earl in it. Earl? Yeah, I don't know where the hell that camera's pointing at. I changed my mind, decided to do it anyway, you know?
Yeah, fair enough.
When I saw people getting 90,000 views.
Bruh.
Alright, I just, yeah, gonna put the oil in. Alright, I'm gonna stick the old funnel in there. Found a funnel too. I'll be done in 10 minutes. Famous last words. Oh shit. I think I saved the old containers, put the oil back in them. Alright. Remember, 8 quarts. Rado. God damn it. I smell oil everywhere. Good thing you can't see it. 7. Here we go. This is number 8. Alright, man, that should do it. Come on. Alright, let's get this out. Clean it off. Put our cap back on. Letting oil all over the engine. Is that it? Wipe some of this shit off so you don't see it. You know what oil? There's no oil. Okay. And now we're gonna check it. Oof. Fucking twisty things. That's it. Now she's clean. Damn it. Put a lot of money back into this truck after being sick. I'm getting out of the hospital. There she is. She's on point. She's right there. Alright, let's start her up. Start her up, make sure nothing's leaking, dripping, smoking, you know, the typical stuff. Sounds good. That's your oil fill inlet. That's your dipstick to check the oil. Remember, it's a 5.3. They told me 8 quarts. It seems a little high on the stick, but we'll burn it out real quick. Come on. Changing oil doesn't take long. It saves you money. The only downfall is you got to recycle the oil, and it makes a effing mess sometimes. All right. Look underneath. I don't see nothing dripping or anything on the cardboard, so everything's tight, everything's sealed up, and I think we did it. So that just basically shows you how easy it is to change the oil on a 2018 Silverado with a 5.3 in it, man. Like I said, it kind of got me off guard at Advance because I bought the oil changing kit where I got the oil and the filter for $50, not realizing that each additional quart of oil was like almost $12 freaking after. But still looking at $86. So like I said before, I probably saved like $30. So, but I get to work on my truck, man. You know what I'm saying? And that's the big part, is coming out here and working on stuff really helps my mental. Really distracts me how crappy my life really is. And that's why I've been doing these videos, and that's why I've been sharing them with you guys. Until next time.